inductive capacitor bank to give you oscillation, and then you have high voltage coil to couple that oscillation and give you high voltage.
Recording with both devices.
Now it's almost ready, and from this point I would start to raise the voltage slowly. The experiment will be very short, so make sure your camera or your video is ready. In the next 5 seconds, I will see the Tesla's discharge. And that is the Tesla coil. Then you cannot run this for too long, otherwise you will smell a lot of ozone. Let me turn on the light. So, again, this is just a little bit demonstration of what we can do with our high voltage lab. And we run a lot of tests for utility companies, and our recent research project is with Air Force to see the partial discharge at high elevation. Actually, the cage there and that blue cabinet are for the Air Force. But our most interesting part is we have a high voltage class with 45 students every year, and another 45 students also in the waiting list. So later on, if you want to come here for your graduate study at Ohio State, if you remember to register for this class 1 year beforehand, otherwise you cannot get in. Okay? Any questions before we move on to the the power electronics tour? Okay. So
I have a question. So how many attenuation for this this room?
21 dB, something like that. I cannot remember, but we have description of the facility on the website. We have 2 Faraday structure. One is this lab, the other is we have a cage. So basically for both of these, we have